Initially, I got into internet marketing in general through multi-level marketing online, and then eventually I tried that for a few years, failed at it, lost thousands of dollars, and that led to buying a few products on how to make money online through multi-level marketing. I promoted a Power Network a couple of years ago. It was a pretty popular online MLM. That was the first time I made money online, and then I dropped that after it didn't work out for me, and then I was just searching for ways constantly to make money online. Eventually I found affiliate marketing, and I found it was a lot easier. You didn't have to worry about any branding or any inventory. You would just grab an affiliate link, buy traffic, and then profit.
What was your biggest problem or frustration when you were starting out?
The tech stuff. By far. It was, setting up landing pages, setting up, just learning how to track and all that stuff. So I partnered up with somebody who handled all of that for me. So that was really important for me. It allowed me to just completely focus on the media buying side and the marketing and the copywriting and, dealing with affiliate networks and whatnot, and pretty much.
Why did you decide to work with me?
Because I knew you were at a pretty huge level in terms of income. I had read your posts on Stack That Money, and I already knew that you were a really smart person. We actually met at Affiliate Summit East. It was a small meetup, with 4 or 5 marketers, and you were showing people how you ran your Facebook campaigns. And from that, I was like, well, this guy, he really knows what he's talking about. We met up again in person, and you just gave me a lot of good advice on how to improve my campaigns, how to, and this was before I was working with you. I was, doing my own independent affiliate stuff. But you showed me, how to think of angles, how to spy on campaigns. You said, you really got to get into into your traffic source. So where did that type of traffic come from? What sites, are your ads being served on? What type of user is seeing those ads, etc. All this other stuff. So, you added basically a lot of value to me. And one thing I've gotten is a lot of experience, a lot of just launching campaigns, shifting my mindset from one of not launching as much to just not thinking about it as much and just taking action, launching more and more, and using all of that activity to kind of find your way towards a profitable campaign. A lot of my success, at least, has been attributed to the people I surround myself with. So, I instantly knew, what better than to surround yourself with a super affiliate if you're trying to yourself make it in affiliate marketing.